This 2022 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 7174 BHSTX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 5, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, awning, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 7174 BHSTX is 3,546 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.